Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use ClickUp as a small business owner. And today I will show you an example in my place, because imagine if I'm having multiple YouTube channels and I want to create for myself a small plan, or no, maybe a nice ClickUp plan with all my employees, and a clear view for what we need to do and what everyone is doing. So for a small business owner, then the first step that we are going to do is we go right here to spaces and we click on the plus icon, because right now I want to create a new space for my company. So we call this one Flux Media, exactly the same name as my YouTube channel. And then we can give this a nice description. So a clear view about what to do on the channels. It's just a random description, for example. Now we can select right here, the default permission is full edit or comment or view only. So you can decide what you want to do, but it's very important to also do edits so people can change their task right there. So then if you can see, if you click here on edit, we need to upgrade our plan. So that's a little bit strange, but then we do right now just the full edit because we trust our workers. Then right now we do continue, and now we can select right here which type we want to use. So if you can see starter is fine, then you see right here the task statuses, and that is just to do, in progress, and complete. If you do marketing teams, you see right here a backlog, planning, in progress, and ready. Project management is to do, planning, in progress, and at risk. And we have right here the product engineering, so you can decide for yourself which one you want to use. I do today starter, and then we this is fine for now, and then we click here on create space. And then what I recommend you to do from here is you need to give this space a nice template. Because why will you create everything by yourself if you have awesome templates that you can use? So right now, if I go to the three dots and we go from here to templates, you can click right here on apply a template. And then from here, you will find a lot of templates. But what if we search right here for a business template? So let's choose right now the business continuity plan. So we do this one, and then you see right here what it exactly does. So you see right here a job, and then what his status is, and then the priority with a date and more details. So this one looks amazing. So now I click here on use template, and then we can give this a list name. So let's give this name a, now I think seriously this is fine. So we do business employee planning, something like that. Now this is fine. We can also import more options if you want to do that, or you can start and do dates right here, so you can decide for yourself if you want to do that. We can also enable right here to include archive task. Now for now it's not important, but I choose the no option, and then we do use template. And now he's creating our template right here in ClickUp. So right now we are having here a guide, and this is amazing, guys, because if you don't know how to do stuff right here in ClickUp, you will find here a complete guide how to do this. But right now, if we choose right here to go to list or priorities, you will find right here the list that we just created. So right now you can fill in right here the job that's people needs to do. Then you will find right here a status right here in which category, and then you can add right here the person that needs to do that task. So that is amazing. Then you will find right here a nice deadline with details, and you can add comments right here. And so we have it now for more, and this was just for doing jobs, but you can also do here some other tasks which are important. So you can play right now what you want to do. If you want to change the names, you can click on it and then change it right here. So let's say this people needs, no, not needs, but create video topics. Then we do this, click this away, and then right now you see create video topics is for the person Tim, for example. And then he can do his tasks, and then you can invite it right here to this nice ClickUp. So guys, this is how you can use ClickUp as a small business owner. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.